So here's what you got so far. Let me do the other side and we'll see how this turns out. Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the great state of Michigan. If you're new to the channel, I'm James. And today we're gonna swap out these ugly tips for these. Will these look freaking dope or what? Oh yeah. All right, tools needed. 9/16 wrench, 10mm socket to remove those, and 5/12 Allen wrench. All right, now swapping these tips out, I don't really think the exhaust is gonna sound much different, but let's do a before swap rev. Okay, so we got two bolts under here. We got one right here, and we've got one right there. So we'll do that. We'll pop this guy off real quick here. All right, bolts out. You should be able to just shake this. And it should, oh, there's one side. And come on, girl. Oh, there we go. See that, ladies and gentlemen? We have it out. So here is what we're looking at. Let me clean this off real quick just so it looks decent, and then we'll strap the new tip on. Okay, so what we have done is we have opened up all these little nubs, right, which are all Allen heads, and we have put this on. Now, it's not tight yet, but we do have it on, and we're just trying to make sure we get the alignment just right so everything looks straight, and then we're going to reef it down, you guys. All right, now that I got these tight, I'm going to put these on here, and I'm going to friggin' reef these down real quick to lock the stud in place. All right, you guys, check it out. We got one on. Trying to see if I can get the best light I can for you guys. We went with, like I said, carbon fiber with the burnt tips. I think it looks pretty sharp. Like I said, I have not done the other side yet. Oop, my light. So here's what you got so far. Let me do the other side and we'll see how this turns out. All right, you guys, just a quick view of the finished product from down here on the ground. See, there's driver's side. Here's our M Performance exhaust system from BMW. Yes, this car does have the M exhaust. And there's our tailpipe tips. Let me get up and show you what she looks like from behind. All right, here's our finished product. I think it turned out pretty good. The lighting's a little bit bad in here, but I think you guys get the idea. I'll get a clip tomorrow and put it at the end of the video if you guys want to see what they look like in the daytime. But here they are after installation. I think they turned out really good. I think it looks a lot better than the friggin' decorative things I had on there before. Now we got real tailpipe tips. I think the car turned out pretty slick. So let me fire this baby up. Let's see what it sounds like. Well, you guys, what do you think? You like the way it sounds with the new tips? Does it sound better? Does it sound worse? Does it sound any different? Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about new installation of the tips. If you guys enjoyed the video, give me a like, smash that subscribe. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace, everybody.